Hi guys, let's make a long video together. We'll just crush all of this. It's got 25 packs, so let's open all of these one by one. I love all of your comments. Wow, it's gonna be really hard to crush. But I'm very excited. How many Slate pencils are these? Can you guess? Let's crush in this small one first. Smash, smash, smash. I love crushing slates, guys, but my arm gets so tired. To be honest with you, I actually crush every single slate in this one, ek do karke. That's how I make fine powder. Look at this, guys. If I add water in this, it will smell heavenly. Break time. I got a new mug from Starbucks. How's this, guys? Do you like it? Let's put this powder in this. Let's break this now. आहा, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. अब इस लड्डू को धूप में सूखने के लिए रख देती हूँ और जब ये सूख जाएगा we will crush it. Just out of excitement, this is my new book. Let's soak these slates in water. पानी में सोक करने के बाद it becomes so much easier to crush. So satisfying. Bye bye, guys.